Strange RV Tours here. This is Janet. My hubby gave me a nickname, Janet the Mechanic. Anyway, last night, our AC was dripping inside the RV. Well, did some research and they said, oh, you're not level. Well, or it might be frozen up or whatever. But here we are. We took it apart. There wasn't any frozen anything. The seals seemed tight, but we did re-level it and it did stop dripping. But they said part of the problem might be the drain pans might be clogged. So that's what I did today. So far I'm like, I'll have to show you, that's all. Okay, so I'll take you outside and show you what I've done so far, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, later. Okay, one of the things that was going on, we're dripping from that bracket, and hardly nothing was going to that drain there. And after we leveled it, it was still doing the same thing. So we need to clean out those little rain gutters, I'm sure, and make sure that's not blocked there with a bunch of crap. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I did pull some of this stuff off our little solar panel, but I'll show you. All right, let's go ahead and get on up there. All right, guys, what I did, first thing, I took off the solar panel. These little chunks of goop I took off just to unscrew it and set it to the side as gently as possible. Took the screws off the side of the hood and just lifted it carefully. Try not to damage the roof at all. Then I took off all of these. I cleaned everything off a little bit. Took off this whole panel here. And the drain tray was all full of mud and dirt. All the way around is pretty much a lot of mud and dirt. So I cleaned that out. I took a wire, put it through here. There's a plastic tray underneath. I took the brush, took all the mud and flushed it out with water. Made sure it was like running smoothly on both sides. Wire and kept it flat all the way across, and ran water in the tray. It runs right here, and it drains right here, right out to here. So it doesn't look like there was any drain spouts, you know. So, and it was running freely on both sides. And I cleaned off the grill parts on that one. On the other side, I cleaned it, you know, the best I could, gently. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. The smaller one inside that goes right directly to the inside of the RV was in pretty good shape. It had a lot of styrofoam stuck in it, and I was really careful trying not to mess with it. And now I'm going to put some sealant there, and it's draining. I just opened it and it's coming out because it's hot. And it looks like we might get some rain, so I'm going to hurry. Okay, y'all? So I'm going to put some sealant down here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, put some sealant on through that. Yeah, a wet rag. Okay, making a mess already. Thunder. That's not good. Hurry. Set this to the side a little bit gently. Yeah. I'll put some sealant across here. saw one guy do it like this too. There we go. Some up here because there was some on this. Yeah. There you go. I'm not scared to get dirty. That's why I'm wearing my old clothes. Awesome. Okay. I'm afraid to get it too wet. The styrofoam's falling apart. Alrighty. So, made sure everything was tightened down. I kept all the screws separate. So, I have different screws for the lid and for the solar panel. That's going to be fun to line up. But, let's see how it goes. There you go. Antenna. See if I can get it to line up with the screw holes. Fun. Tighten it. Yeah, that's lining up. Yeah, the front is too. Way to go. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, let's see so far. Yeah. Lining up on the holes. A little dirty underneath that solar panel. Yeah, lining up. Okay, I didn't crush any wiring. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna screw this top on real quick. And I get to use the drill for this. Regular screws. And I keep them separate. You know, these are for the solar panel and that's for the top, the cover. All right, I better hurry. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take this crap off. Screw it back down in the holes and seal it again. Alrighty? And then I did clean out the rain gutter some. I'll have to get back up here again. There was a bunch of stuff stuck under there, mud, both sides, man. And I need to do a better job, but I'm running out of time. So I'll get back up here, clean that out a little better. And when I poured water through here, it was going to the gutter, so that's good. Oh, strangervtours.com. hit subscribe, hit the bell. We appreciate y'all. This is a quickie, but it's part of maintenance. I'll be cleaning that off too. All right, subscribe. Yeah. Anyway, out of time. Later. Bye.